Good morning, my dear students. My name is Pamabde. I am working in Sri Maru Siddheshwara High School as an English teacher. Students, today we are going to start a new lesson. That is Luther Burbank. Luther Burbank. Luther Burbank, it is a lesson regarding this person, Luther Burbank. So this lesson describes how Burbank achieved his ambition of growing. Luther Burbank, this lesson shows about Luther Burbank, how he achieved his ambition of growing and grafting vegetables of varieties of fruits and vegetables. It is the name of a person, Luther Burbank. So in this lesson, we have to know that how this Luther Burbank he achieved his goal. So in the field of growing and grafting varieties of fruits and vegetables, he set up so many nursery gardens, greenhouse and experimental farms in Santa Rosa, California, and worked miracles. Like this is Luther Burbank, a great person. He achieved his goal in the field of growing and crafting varieties of fruits and vegetables. Let us, I am going to read this lesson. Let us look in front of the text. What does the world call a man who turned a yellow flower into red? Who made the seeds of plums disappear? Who caused the desert cactus to grow 1,000 times faster? Who made a blackberry white? And who grew 500 different kinds of cherries on one tree? Was he a master gardener? Master gardener, a skilled plant grower, a talented and patient breeder, or a miracle working magician? The man responsible for controlling nature in these and countless other ways has been awarded many titles. But essentially he was a simple, hard-working scientist named Luther Burbank. Through Luther Burbank, he is no more. The products of his genius continue to play a part in the day-to-day lives of people throughout the world. His influence prevails in the scientific community among those who work in the fields of agriculture, horticulture, forestry, and livestock. His most important contribution, however, is a lovely flower that never existed before him. Also, he developed a fruit or vegetable, the taste of which was improved, which is an experiment. Burbank was born on March 7, 1849 and was brought up on a farm in the state of Massachusetts. He was attracted towards the wonders of nature and learned the techniques of growing various crops and plants during his early years. But when he read drawings, variation of animals and plants under domestication. He decided to devote his life to grow new varieties of plants. When Poland was 21 years old, he started market gardening. He was successful in selling the high quality vegetables that he grew on his farms. One of his experiments was he planted 29 seeds from an early rose potato plant. He produced a new variety of seeds. It became a very popular among the local farmers. Its superior quality came to be known throughout, and today this potato is called Idaho potato. Idaho potato. It's grown on thousands of acres in northwestern US. Burbank found that the climate of his native place was not suitable for his work, and at the age of 26, he moved to the state of California, where the weather was mild and the soil was rich and varied. Burbank never hesitated in the pursuit of the goal he had set for himself. He carried on his experimental and original work in plants for more than half a century on Santa Rosa, near the city of San Francisco. He described his new home as the chosen spot of all this earth as far as nature was concerned. Yes, dear students, you know that this is the story about a person, Luther Burbank. Luther Burbank, how he reached his goal or achieved his goal. Growing some varieties of fruits and flowers and vegetables. He achieved something in the field of agriculture, horticulture, and other fields. Really, he is a great person. How he want to reach his goal or achieve his goal. This is the thing it was explaining in this lesson. Let us know the first paragraph. What does the world call a man who turned a yellow flower into red? Yes. Yellow. Excuse me. What that the world called a man who turned a yellow flower into red? Who made the seeds of palms disappear? Who caused the desert cactus to go 1,000 times faster? Who made it? Who caused the desert cactus to grow 1,000 times faster? Excuse me. Who made it? Who made a blackberry white? And who grew 500 different kinds of cherries on one tree? Was he a master gardener, a skilled plant grower, a talented and best reader, or a miracle working magician? Dear students, in this first paragraph, you know that different kinds of cherries on one tree. So great achievement. Really. See, 500 different kinds of cherries. Different kinds of how many kinds? 500 kinds. Really, it is a great achievement, students. So it's a 500 different kinds of cherries. One in one tree or one tree. Was he a master gardener? So that this Luther Burbank was called as a master gardener. Master gardener, a skilled plant grower. See, Luther Burbank was called as a master gardener, a skilled plant grower, a talented and patent breeder, or a miracle working magician. See, how many words. So these are the words it shows his achievement in the field of agriculture, horticulture, like this. So you have to know this, how this person, Luther Burbank, he was achieving his goal or achievement. The man responsible for controlling nature in these and countless other ways has been awarded many titles. Really. So he was trying to get so many awards and titles. But essentially he was a simple, hard-working scientist. He was a man of simple and hard-working scientist named Luther Burbank. Here, the writer he wants to explain his personality. The second paragraph. A man responsible for controlling nature in these and countless other ways has been awarded many titles. So this Luther Burbank, he awarded so many titles, but essentially he was a simple, hard-working scientist. Really, he was a simple and also essential, hard-working scientist named Luther Burbank. Named Luther Burbank. See, it shows his personality. How he was simple living, how he was living simple life as a awarded scientist. Through Luther Burbank, he is no more. The products of his genius continue to play a part in the day-to-day lives of people. Yes. Burbank's products today itself, they have made a lively continue to play a part in the day-to-day lives of people throughout the world, his products day by day or day-to-day lives of people, in the lives of people. He influence prevails in the scientific community among those who work in the fields of agriculture. Yes. Luther Burbank, he was influenced. Luther Burbank, he was influenced the genius. Products of his genius continue to play that. His influence prevails in the scientific community among those who work in the fields of agriculture. Yes. He influenced the people, those who are working in the field of agriculture, horticulture, forestry and livestock. Really, he was a man that he was influencing the people, those who are working in the fields of agriculture, horticulture, forestry and livestock. His most important contribution, however, is means is the Luther Burbank's most important contribution. However, he is a lovely flower that never excited from him. Also, he developed a fruit of vegetable, the tasty of which was improved with his experiments. A tasty fruit or vegetable also tasty which was improved with his experiment. A tasty fruit, tasty vegetables also improved in the field of agriculture and also his experiments. Burbank was born on March 7, 1849. So this is about his childhood or his lovely, his life that is full of his childhood days. Burbank was born on March 7, 1849 and was brought up on a farm in the state of Massachusetts. Brought up on the farm in a state of Massachusetts. He was attracted towards the wonders of nature. Really is attracted the wonders of nature and learned the techniques of growing various crops and plants during his early years. Really is having such a techniques of growing various crops. Dear students, you know that you are from so many villages, so you know that crops, so many different kinds of crops. But this man is having a techniques of growing various crops and plants during the early years. But when he read Darwin's variation of animals and plants under domestication, when he was read the Darwin's variation of animals and plants under domestication. This is the book written by Darwin. He decided to devote his life to grow new varieties of plants. Then, when he was read the book of Darwin's, that is variation of animals and plants under domestication, then he decided, the Luther Burbank decided to devote all his life, contribute to his life, grow new varieties of plants. So like this, he sacrificed his life, devotes his life. He reserved his life for the sake of this field only. New varieties of plants. When Burbank was 20 years old, he started market gardening. He was successful in selling the high quality vegetables that he grew on his farms. His success in the field of growing vegetables, high quality vegetables. So that he grew on his farms. One of his experiments was he planted 29 seeds from an early rose potato plant. So one of his achievement is he planted 29 seeds. 29 seeds. How many seeds? 29 seeds from an early rose potato plant. He produced a new variety of seeds. Really is a great achievement. He produced a new variety of seed. It an early rose of that he produces a new variety of seeds. It became very popular among the local farmers. See, so his seeds, it was popular, famous in the local farmers. Its superior quality came to be known throughout and today this potato is called Idaho potato. Idaho potato. It is grown on thousands of acres in the northwestern US. This is also one of the great contribution of Luther Burbank. Burbank found that the climate of his native place was not suitable for his work, and at the age of 26, he moved on the state of California. So, at the age of his 26, when he was 26 years old, he went to a state of California, where the weather was mild. That California's weather was mild and the soil was rich. Soil was rich. It means it is very good soil for agriculture. And Burbank never hesitated in the pursuit of a goal he had set for himself. He never hesitated about his goal. He pursued about his goal and he had set for himself. He was set his mind. He carried on his experimental and original work on plants for more than half a century on Santa Rosa, near the city of San Francisco. He made so many experiments about the plants and fruits. He described his new home as a chosen spot. He described his new home. So this Luther Burbank, when he was discovered so many new plants, then he described his new home as the chosen spot. Chosen spot of all this earth as far as nature was concerned. So all of this earth and nature was concerned. Like this, the Luther Burbank, he was sacrificed his life. So he sacrificed his life for the sake of in the field of the agriculture, horticulture, and other field also. So like this, normally his experiments were based on three basic techniques. So really his all experiments, that Luther Burbank's experiments were based on basically three basic techniques. First, he would collect different kinds of domestic plants. First one is he collected different kinds of domestic plants. First technique, and bring many foreign varieties of plants. And also he brings so many varieties of plants when they were grown under different conditions. In different varieties of plants, and he was based on that collect different kinds of domestic plants, and also they would prove strong plantful or hard or else show other describable changes of new qualities. For the sake of new qualities, he made his experiments based on only three basic techniques. So, for the sake of development, or he achieved his goal or achievement, so that he used a three basic techniques. Dear students, you know that Luther Burbank, he sacrificed his life. He contributed so many things in the field of agriculture, horticulture, growing in different kinds of fruits and vegetables. He gave a good quality of the vegetables to the whole world. And he made so many experiments in the field of that vegetables, flowers and fruits also. So really, he was called as a master gardener. You know that? He was called as a master gardener, a skilled plant grower, and a talented and patient breeder. He was also called as a talented breeder or a miracle working magician. Miracle working magician. In this, so many names he was appreciated by the people in this world. Really, this Luther Burbank was one of the man. He was a great man. So his achievement or his goals were very good. How he was able to reach his goal or able to contribute his life for the sake of this field only. Have you understood this lesson, my dear students? So you are also having such a talent, students. You are having such a talent because you are from so many in the urban areas, rural areas. You are having so many fields. You know the agriculture field also. So you are also having such a talent, but you can utilize or you can use so many techniques to grow in the field of agriculture also. So like this, here in this lesson, so many new words are introducing here. One is desert cactus. Desert cactus. Desert cactus means thorny desert plant. Thorny desert plant. Blackberry, a black fishery edible fruit. And also breeder. Breeder means producer of new and better kinds of animals. Miracle. Miracle means extraordinary event and able to attribute it to that supernatural agents. So like this, so many words are introducing here. You should able to or you can try to use these new words and you will construct a new sentence in your word. Let us come to this homework. Or given here simple questions are here. One is name the fields in which Luther Burbank's influence prevails. As I told you already, name the fields in which Luther Burbank's influence prevails. Very easy to answer. Second one. When was Luther Burbank born? When was Luther Burbank born? Third one is, what was Luther Burbank's goal in life? What was Luther Burbank's goal in life? Also, name the book that helped Burbank to decide on his goal of life. So one of the book, it was influenced his life to reach his goal. So this is a great, this is a simple question also given here. You have to do the homework and also you get a good answer from this for this questions. I think you are all know the main theme or idea or main theme of this lesson. How that Luther Burbank, he was a man of master gardener, a skilled plant grower, skilled master plant grower, and a talented and breeder. He was called as a talented breeder also, or a miracle working magician also. Really, it is a great thing, great job he was doing. He was picked. That how he reached his goal. That Luther Burbank. So you have to try. You have to achieve. You have to try to achieve the field of agriculture, horticulture, growing flowers also. You are also having such a chance, such an idea, because you are from rural areas, you know the agriculture, know the horticulture, you know how that field was, how you are getting good benefit also, getting good name also. Why not? You are also trying to get a good name, good title, not good that what you are calling awards also. You are having such. So that this is the lesson, a good lesson for you. How Luther Burbank was a man. He was appreciated by the from the all people of this world. How he was identified from his word, this world. Anyhow, today we are going to read this lesson. Here there was also a photo also given here, picture is here in the text. You see, this is a picture of this Luther back. See this photo or picture is given here. He was a man of gardener, so that is master gardener. And also he was a skilled plant grower. So like this, he was also master, talented master builder. So like this, he was achieving so many things. So I think you are also you are know very well regarding this lesson. I know that how you are going to get good knowledge from this lesson. So that anyhow, today, yes, having any doubts regarding this lesson? You are having any doubts? Please ask. No doubts? Okay, I think you are going to get good knowledge or good idea about this from this